How to reply messages without showing online on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So to do that, what you need to do is hit onto your notification bar. On the top search bar you will see the Wi-Fi or data that you have turned on. You just need to turn it off, and then if the notification of the message is already sent after turning off your internet, just move on to your WhatsApp, and now you just need to head into the chat of the person that you want to reply to. So after heading into the chat of the person that you need to reply, you can just tap on the chat of that person and then simply reply to them. And you can again turn your Wi-Fi on, and that's how you can send the messages without people knowing them, because when you turn your Wi-Fi on, the message will be sent and you won't even be online on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.